Okay, and we're live. So welcome everybody. We are in Nakano-Shimbashi. This is a residential area. There's also some small shops around. You can see, I guess that there's the subway station right behind me. That's also a convenience store right next to it. But this is a pretty relaxed area. It's also rainy, but yeah, there's still people walking. Like, people always walk around here. People do love to walk, and that is one of my favorite things about Tokyo. It's very walkable. So, without further ado, I'm gonna begin my first walking vlog here, just through the neighborhood. All right, so here we go. Me looking like a tourist with my gimbal and phone in hand. But it's a pretty quiet day. And I can't avoid not looking like a tourist because I am a white person. Although there are many white foreigners here, also other ethnicities. Okay, so yeah, it's really quiet. And of course there's apartments everywhere in small alleys. Roads are very small here. Like narrow, I mean. It's pretty long. So in here is a river, and that is the kanji right there for Nakano-Shimbashi. That's how you read that. So that's the name of this area. And sometimes I could read kanji, sometimes I can't. It's a bit different from Chinese characters. And yeah, I like days like this. I'm a weird person, but I do like days like this. This is the Kanda River. This is the river right there. You can see the river. Yes. And there's a kebab shop. Very Japanese. Sarcasm. And look at those buildings over there. See? Buildings. I like the scenery here. That's a good shot, actually. Yeah, the clouds are a bit low today. It's so quiet here. I like Japan because it's quiet. I don't know. I like quiet. Which is very much opposite of China. I did live in China, in case we might be aware, for several years. But Japan is opposite when it comes to noise. I mean, you could hear like cars and stuff, but there's no constant horn honking or anything. It's pretty refreshing not to have that, not to have to deal with that on a daily basis. And look at the bushes there. I think this is where the shrine might be. Not 100% sure. Yes, I see it. Yes. I see the kanji for shrine. Jinja, as it's called in Japanese. There it is. I found it. Yes. I'm so excited here. But here's the torii gate. By the way, when you see a torii gate like this, that means you're entering a sacred place in Shintoism. It's where the kami reside. And by the way, I looked this up before, but this in particular shrine is dedicated to Suzano, who is a Shinto deity. And when people need things, they come to shrines like this. It's not like Christianity, where you're always supposed to worship God, of course. I'm a Christian, but these places, Japanese, it's not really religion like Japanese people. They just come to their gods when they need things, and this is where they come when they want to make some wishes. What a gem, hidden gem this place is. No tourists. See? Stick with me and you get to see traditional areas or out of the way areas like this. I'm not really sure what this creature is supposed to be, to be honest. It looks cool though. The kanji, I don't really recognize it. You know, sometimes Japanese kanji can be a bit different. In this, by the way, is a ritual cleansing area. That's where you put water on yourself. I'm not going to do this, though. I'm not really a Shintoist, but I do respect places like this. And look at this. Yeah, there's another mini torii gate and a little shrine right there. Man, I'm glad I came here. This is a small place, but scenic. That's the awesome thing about Tokyo. You can like be in seconds from like a city type place to a traditional type shrine here. It's just off the beaten path. And yeah, I guess that's pretty much it to the shrine. Maybe get a closer look here. Yeah. Okay. There's a donation. People like what they do if they want to make a wish. They toss some coins in there and then they pull the rope there and they clap their hands and make a wish. So yeah, that's a shrine here. And I guess we'll go back. Okay, so now we're gonna go the opposite direction from where we started. But yeah, there's a subway right there. And just a few stores. Like I said before, nothing spectacular, just a local place. And there's the metro, there's the entrance, there's a turnstile, you can see. And let's walk in here. Torikizoku. That's a good chain restaurant for yakitori. Real chicken there. Very tasty. There's the entrance down there. And also, there's a convenience store, Family Mart. They're everywhere. I like convenience stores. I think I'll just maybe film one of these later, but we're gonna keep going here, down the street. It's almost like you're actually here, isn't it? And there's something under construction. I don't know what they're making. Now it seems like I have an announcement for something under construction. That's all I can tell from this here. Excuse me, where's it all? And let's see. Just notice how tight everything is in here. There's just not a lot of space in Japan, so they got to make every inch count. Every store is just a lot closer together, and people live very close together here. This is one of the most densely populated areas in the world. And look, there's a pachinko parlor. Pachinko is pretty popular in Japan. And there's another convenience store that's lost in this time, but convenience stores everywhere. They're very convenient, very, I guess, cheap food in comparison to America. All right, let's see. I guess that's pretty much it to this neighborhood. Okay, I think to wrap up, we're gonna take a walk right next to the river. There's a path here. Only for bikes, no cars, and foot traffic. And that's below the bridge, you can see right there. Water rushing there. Nice little path here. Good for jogging, but I don't like to jog though. I do like to walk, but not jog. Could take this path all the way back to my apartment, I think. Not all the way back, but pretty close to it. And that's where we'll wrap up, I suppose, right back at my apartment. So anyway, I'm gonna stop there. As you can see, my hair is very wet. Not even carrying my umbrella. I do have my backpack, but we're gonna stop there. Good scenic place to stop. So everybody, this was my First vlog, actual vlog, walking tour here. So just let me know what you thought of it in the comments. What do you think of Tokyo? This is a residential area, not really a tourist place. But yeah, I'm gonna end right there. So everybody, see you for the next video.